Okay, so I said no, I'm gonna finish because I'm almost done. So I've got the seat plate on with the three 10mm bolts there, and here I'm gonna put this setup here. This is my clip for my either my seat or my gas tank, can't remember, but one of the two. I gotta put these knobs here, go right there, and one on the other side, like so, right there. I gotta take this hose off here. I gotta put it on the bottom of the tank, under there, and plug it like that. And then I've got to slide the tank in nose first, like this, and in, because there's hooks that catch on the side of this, like that. And then I pop it down while I'm feeding these two hoses here down through this way with the plugs on them, so the fuel doesn't come out. And it slides in and hooks in these rubber slides, and then pops down on top of these rubbers and secures itself in. And then I can hook it in and screw it down here, I think. Anyway, we'll find out now. I screw it down on here, and these are the hooks on the side of the inside of the tank that I'm talking about. And I'm going to install that right now. There's the other one. So I got to slide it in nose first and hook that and get that all in position. There it is. That's what I was looking for. Haha, I found you. The Marauder will live and maraud another day.